Ambururu Waterfall Resort is located in Musanda-ruwe in Kakamega County, on the borders of Kakamega and Siaya. This is a place you can visit to relax and unwind as you listen to the gushing, soothing waters of the Ambururu waterfalls within the resort. The place is also dotted with bamboo thickets and a variety of trees as a way of conserving the environment.
Told you earlier, we are at the Ambururu Falls today. As you can see, there is the beautiful ambience of the Ambururu Falls. This is a place that you must hang out. The Ambururu Falls Resort is located in Musanda. Musanda is located in Mumias sub-county. It is located in Kakamega County. These are some of the touristic destinations you can chill out with your friends, with your family for a weekend getaway. Maze, let's continue exploring this place.
Activities that you can do at the Ambururu Waterfall Resort include rock climbing, waterfall viewing, club watching, camping, a children's play park, hotel and restaurant with accommodation underway. Indeed, Ambururu Waterfall Resort is a place you must visit.
Have had so much fun at the Ambururu Falls. This place is amazing, Maze. You should visit, you should check out their Facebook page at the Ambururu Falls Resort. Woo! We're just about to go closer to the falls, Maze. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. This is Ambururu Falls Resort. Resort in Musanda. Musanda is located in Mumias sub-county in Kakamega County. These are some of the places you can visit, have fun for a weekend getaway with you and your family. Accommodation is underway, so you can just come chill out with your family, maze. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you next week. Bye.